This recipe is made in Chef Ranveer Brar style. Hello everyone, hope you all are fit and fine and doing well. Every state has different ways of making the same vegetables or same dishes, and they all have a distinct taste. And today I'm going to make laukikofte in Punjabi style. Punjabi cooking is very tasty and it is very easy. Once you mastered it, you will never like to have anything else. Laukika kofta, when we are making, we are going to make it in two parts. First, we are going to make the kofta part. Then we are going to make the gravy to put the kofta in this. And when they both join together, is going to be an amazing dish. So I have taken 500 grams of very tender lauki and I grated and kept and put salt in that. Remember, this is a very good tip for you whenever you are taking the lauki for making kofta. First thing, it should be tender. Second thing, when you are doing it, grate it in the bigger hole so that you get bigger lachas. Third thing, put salt and keep so that all the water from the lauki can be drained out. Of course, we have to squeeze out the rest of the water, but it's already started leaving a lot of water. And since it is tender, it will be having a lot of water. So that we will take out the water, squeeze out, and then we start using for our kofta. Along with that, I'll be using ginger garlic paste and a little bit of green chillies chopped, haldi powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and gram flour, that's a besan, and coriander leaves. And this is hink, and I have one small pinch of soda, cooking soda in this. I'll be mixing in this, and I'm not telling the exact measurement because we have to see how much, after squeezing out how much lauki we are going to get. Accordingly, we can put the quantities of the spices. Yeah. I have kept this lauki with the salt for almost 10 minutes. All the moisture has come out. So after squeezing out the water from the lauki, it is this much, and this is the water from that. This will keep aside because with this we are going to use in our gravy. Chopped green chillies and less than half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and we are going to put pinch of haldi in this, turmeric powder, and this what I am going to use is the Kashmiri red chilli powder. Again, just half teaspoon. Coriander leaves chopped, and little bit of hink. And what I am going to do, I have taken a pinch of soda. I am going to put little bit of oil in this. Mix it and put it in the mixture. Instead of putting water, I prefer to put curd because it gives a very nice taste, little bit of sourish taste also. And now comes the besan. We will not be putting so much of besan because we are not making pakoras, we are going to make kofte. So let's mix this. Our oil is hot and our kofte mixture is ready. Once the kofte mixture is done, you should not keep it for a long time because it's going to leave water again because there's salt and there's other things in that. So, and our lauki is very tender. So we'll just shallow fry these. For the gravy, I have taken 1.5 cup of chopped onions. I had kept few very thin slices, rest is all finely chopped, and one big size of tomato and coriander leaves. Here I have the red Kashmiri chilli and haldi powder, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and almost 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and half teaspoon of jeera. And of course we are going to use some more curd in the gravy, and the water which is come from the water which is taken out from the Lauki. The jeera goes inside. If you want, you can put some green chillies also chopped. I am not putting in this. In goes the ginger garlic paste. I put the onion slices and now I am going to put the chopped onion. The onions are fried nicely. Now let's put our tomatoes and cook them till it becomes soft. The tomato has to become very soft. The onion tomato combination is very nicely fried. So now this is the time we are going to add our masalas. So I am not going to put the dry masalas just like that. I have beaten up 1.5 tablespoon of curd. All these things are going to be mixed in the curd and I am going to mix it along with the onion tomato paste. Let this fry for some time till the raw smell of the coriander powder is gone. The masala is nicely fried. Look at the color and the oil started separating from the gravy. This is the time we are going to put our water which is come out of the lauki. Remember, I am not put any salt because we already put salt in the lauki. So after we cook this, we'll see whether we need to put more water or not. The gravy is nicely boiling. I just tasted we need a little more of salt. And at this time, I am going to put a little bit of sugar. This is completely optional. The sugar, if you put it in this, all of the sweetness of the onions will be enhanced in this. So I'm just putting little sugar if it is, like I said, it's completely optional. If you're not in for that, please don't put it. So our gravy is ready. And we don't want the gravy to become very thick because once we put the koftes, all the water in this gravy will be drunk by the koftas. So let's start putting our koftas which is already fried and kept. We'll just immerse them in that. The kofta is nicely fried and this is one thing I can't resist while I'm frying. I'll be eating the koftas too. I don't know whether it happens with you all, but it happens with me because they are very tasty and I can't resist myself. So let them just cook little time in this and we'll put off the gas. Kofta is getting nicely mixed. So the combination of the lovely gravy and the tasty koftas and the outcome is going to be awesome, amazing. So let's put off the gas and serve. Just before serving, let's put a little bit of coriander leaves. After some time, you'll find the gravy is become slightly dry because like I said, the kofta is already drinking the water from that. Let's serve a amazing kofte. Wow. It's looking so nice and it's looking so appetizing.